Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today is going to be how to apply those false eyelashes. So if you want to see how I got these lashes on, just keep watching. Alright, so these are the lashes that I used for today. They are Cosmania lashes, Lashes for Days. It was a TJ Maxx find. Next I have the lash glue or eyelash adhesive that I'm going to use. It's by House of Lashes. Alright, so for this part, I like to trim all of my eyelashes. I feel like the lash that you get is more than enough for the standard lash line. So I like to just take and trim just a little bit off of the end here, making sure that there's no harsh edges or points in there. And then as you can see, there's a little point where the band of the lash sticks out a little bit. That's what's going to go in the corner of your eye. So I want to make sure I cut that part off as well. That way there are no parts of the eyelash band that are sticking or poking into the corner of the eye. Next I am applying that lash glue, very carefully it looks like. And the next step is probably the most important. So after you have the lash glue on, you want to make sure that you allow at least 30 seconds to let that lash glue sit. So I will kind of wave it around a little bit, blow on it a little bit, make that lash glue become tacky enough. So here we're going to stick it onto the center of the eye using the tweezers, and I just take and put it onto the corner of the eye, come into the inner corner, and I'm very carefully using those tweezers to position it right on top of that lash line. After this, I will take and squeeze the tweezers together or close the tweezers and very gently just touch along the lash line to make sure that it's adhering to the lash line across the entire lash. So again, on this side, placing that lash right in the center of the eye, using the tweezers to place into the center. And again, if you do not let that lash glue sit for a few seconds and get tacky, it will be a watery mess and it will not adhere to the skin or to the lash as well as it will if you let it get a little bit tacky. And so next I'm fiddling with that corner because you couldn't see, it was off camera. I got a big wad of glue in that corner, but I will again take my finger, push up, and here they are, the finished look.